Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. Today we're going to take a look at a new trade that just came in. This is a 2010 Premier 250 Grand Isle. So it's 25 foot in length right here. This is a tri-toon. With our paneling on the exterior, we do have the tan, black center stripe, and then also the silver railing right here. And this also has the pontoon rapid guard on it. As we make our way to the stern, we do have our bimini top, and then we have a nice extended swim platform here. And this is a 4-stroke Suzuki 250 outboard. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. Starting up here in the bow, we do have our U-shaped seating up here. This does come with a bow filler cushion. And then underneath all these cushions, you do have tons of storage. Premier did a great job maximizing their space here with this ski locker. So in that center tube, you're gonna have a lot of storage below. Door right here off of our port side, and at the helm, you're going to have your raised helm, storage underneath here, also a recessed glove box. And at the helm itself, tilt steering wheel, we do have our compass and standard tacks and gauges. And then the previous owner of this boat did option this with a Lowrance fish finder or depth finder. So nice helm station right here. We have some good seating here on the port side, plenty of spots to put your drinks in the cup holders. And then one of my favorite features on this boat is going to be this rear facing lounger. So you can sit back here, relax when you're anchored out there in the water, or if you're underway, because we do have our safety railing back here that's connected to the ski tow bar. And then this is also optioned to sit right here and facing forward. Again, over here on our port side, we do have our flip up changing room. Very well equipped boat. This is a 2010 Premier 250 Grand Isle. It's located here in Rogers. Come on by and take a look. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.